everybody, my name is Mita, Export Sales Manager from SOJI Electronics, the leading manufacturer of fuel level sensor in Vietnam. And today I want to introduce you about our standard packages of LiGO fuel level sensor. Let me unbox the package to show you. There are two pieces of LiGO fuel level sensor. Here you can see our sensor. There is 7-meter wide cable and another accessory. Oil filter, rubber gasket, anti-vibration spring, fuse protection, screw, rivet and screw, sealing cord, and a quick installation manual. Yes, I have just introduced you about the full set of LiGO fuel level sensor. You can see. Yes, thank you.